Hey everybody, Jason here with Learn to Survive. I just want to apologize that I haven't had any videos come out in a few days. Um, it's not that I don't have any topics to talk about or any videos to do or plans. I've got quite a few of them. Um, been in a lot of pain uh, about the past week. Not been sleeping well because of it, and just haven't really felt up to it. So took some time away, but I've been watching all of your videos that you guys have been putting out, and you guys are doing a great job. And I want to thank you for the videos that you're putting out and the information that you're presenting and giving. Today, I want to talk about emergency stoves, folding stoves, camp stoves, backpacker stoves, hobo stoves, whatever you like to call them. And I'm going to show you two that are essentially the same, but there are some major differences in them. The first one I'm going to show you is this one, the Ultimate Survival Technologies branded stove. And the reason I say branded is UST, 99% of their products, they don't manufacture themselves. They're sourced to other companies that make them for them, and they sell them under their own brand. Um, the stove, I'm guessing by the design and the exact layout of everything, because of trademarks and stuff like that, is the same company that's making them for Callahan's and many other companies that are branding them under their own name, but this company that works with sheet metal makes it. They're pretty simple. They fold open like this. You can put your fuel tabs down here, your small sterno can, um, or even like a Dragon Force solid alcohol fuel pod down in there, and you ignite it and you set your pot on top of it. Now, one of the drawbacks I have to this is size. Nice if you're using a frying pan or bigger type pan. Its dimensions are 4.5 by 3.7 by 2.7, and I guess um, based on the stats I'm going to give you for the other one, weighs about 5 ounces. And if you're cooking with something smaller like the Stanley Adventure cook pot, it adjusts in to where you can set your pot on it like so and do your cooking. Now, with that being said, the one I'm getting ready to show you now is by a company called Ace Camp. Now, they make two units. They make a small and a large unit. The large unit is going to be comparable to this one. The large unit for Ace Camp is 4.6 by 3.8 by 2.7 and is 5 ounces. So if you want to compare that to the stats I gave you for the UTS in the video, you'll see they're about the same. Now this is the Ace Camp Small. It weighs 3 ounces and it measures 3.8 by 3 by 2.2. Here again, it opens the same way. You got your fuel tabs. You can put your wood, your Dragon Force alcohol solid fuel tabs, your sterno canister, whatever in there, and ignite it and put your pan or pot, whatever on top, to do your cooking. But by way of comparison, you see even in this small one, this would slide all the way down. No bueno. You could adjust it in and set your Glacier or Stanley Adventure pot on it like that. There again, I'm not fond of the stability of it like this. But one thing Ace comes with is this top piece. And you put it on like so. Light your fuel. And you can put your smaller things on top of it. And it's a lot more stable. It's got a lot better sitting platform than if it don't. If you just were trying to adjust it in. Would I recommend one of these over the other? No. They both function great. If you want a bigger one, get a bigger one. You want a smaller one, get a smaller one. I personally have, and I use both. And you will see what I'm talking about in an upcoming video. I have got bags that were designed for water bottles. One bag I have a Nalgene bottle and a Glacier cup in. That is my water bottle, my secondary water bottle, and I keep a small Ace stove in one of the pockets on that. And I have another water bottle bag, which I think you've seen in the package in the video, that I bought with the gift card from Angry Canuck from winning his contest, that I have one of my Stanley Adventure cook sets in, along with a few other things, working on that setup, and it's going to evolve like everything else. And I've got one of these in the pocket. So those are two small things that I can carry and have items that I need on me without having to carry a backpack. And this is very short-term carry. That's not meant as a bug out bag or get home bag, but we'll talk about all that in another video. And then I carry the bigger one in my primary bag. So those are just two stoves that you can get. And I can tell you there is a pretty good price difference in them. These here can be found $6 to $10. The Ace Camp I have not found on Amazon, but I went directly to the Ace Camp website and they can be ordered from there. Both the large and small are the same price, and these are about $10. But you're also getting the ring, you're getting 4 fuel tabs with the small, you're getting 8 fuel tabs with the large. For $5-6, whatever. With this, you're just getting a stove. You're not getting any starter packs of fuel tabs or anything else. And it even show on the back of the box there, this unit does not contain fuel. Fuel sold separately. So you're paying a little bit more for even the big one of this, but you're getting 8 fuel tabs to start you out with. With that being said, I'm going to go ahead and wrap up this video. Take care of yourself. Take care of one another. Help each other out. I hope everybody has a wonderful day. Tell me what you think down in the comments. If you have any video ideas, put them down in the comments. Click on my About Me part of my YouTube channel. My email address is in there if anybody wants to shoot me an email or a question that they don't want to ask publicly, and I'll be more than happy to answer. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.